Hello everyone, welcome once again to another PostgreSqL related tutorial by Team Slidescope. In this part you can see we are connected with our database default DB running on a server. The important thing is this server is not running on our local host. This is running on a cloud and this is the cloud database. So you can see here in our organization we have created this particular database. We can create more databases, and obviously if they are on the same server we can connect it via pGAdmin. So how have we created this free, important thing, this free cloud database? How have we connected it with this server using pGAdmin is something we are going to learn in this chapter. So you can use this free cloud database to create your hobby projects, or maybe something if you want to create a demo of any app, you can use this. So let's get started and learn this process. So to create a free PostgreSQL database, a free cloud hosted database, you will need to go to this particular website aiven.io, and obviously you can see DigitalOcean supported and all. So on this website, when you will go, click on pricing. When you will click on pricing, you will see different pricing plans. Obviously $5 a month or $12 a month is also not something many people cannot afford, but as a student, if you want to try things, you can start with 0 per month. You will get one dedicated VM, one CPU per VM, 1 GB RAM per VM, and 1 GB total storage. So you will get that here, and once you click on get building, you will be asked to sign up. So sign up via GitHub, sign up via Google, or whatever is your favorite method here. Then after signing up, you need to log into your console. So just enter your email ID with which you signed up, and after that you will be redirected to this screen where you can choose whether this project is your personal project or work or business project or exploring and learning project. As I selected personal project, you will then see options like what is your primary goal or need and what is your role. So for example, primary goal is build a data driven application and role is data engineer. So whatever your role and need is, you will enter here. Then you will need to select your country, your project name that was appearing that you saw in intro. If you want, you can subscribe to receive only important product updates. And after filling this, click on this option, explore Ivan for streaming. When you will do that, you will see a dashboard here. In that dashboard, you will see get started and services. So make sure you have selected services. In your services, you will see Apache Kafka and different other things. But here we are talking about PostgreSQL, one thing at a time. So we will select this. And when you will select this, you will see options like free, developer, and professional once again. So because we are trying things, testing things, we will select free, and you will see that you are getting a free 1 GB CPU, 1 GB RAM, 1 GB storage, and then clicking that you will see your plan. Make sure like I have selected Asia Pacific, you can select Australia, Europe, North America, etc. as per your requirement, and then name and everything, and you can create a service. Obviously I have removed some credentials here for security. When you will select, you will see that it is provided by DigitalOcean Bangalore, and service URI will be there with which you can connect. Your database name will be written here. Your host, which is important, will be written here. Your port, whatever port they are giving. So by default in pGAdmin a port will be set up. You need to copy this port So copy all of them, and your password which you can copy from here. You will need these things: host, username, port, password, and database name. Once you have copied them, make sure you have pGAdmin set up in your computer. Obviously, it's a straightforward process, or we have created a dedicated video to install pGAdmin. This is just an admin software. It's a feature rich open source administration and development platform for PostgreSqL. So you can connect with local server PostgreSQL databases, or as we are doing, cloud hosted databases. Open pGAdmin on your computer. Then you will see interface like this. You will see servers here. Right click and create a new server. Name is something that you can fill anything. So you are seeing either host name or service must be specified. So then you will go to, so when we are in general tab, we will just enter name of our server which we can remember. And when you are in connection tab, here you will enter the host name that you copied from there, from Event Cloud. Then in port, you will enter that port. Maintenance database name, whatever database you have created there, you will enter that name. Username, you will enter whatever username was given there. And save password, you can switch it on and enter your password here. Here's a screenshot. I just wrote the host name, maintenance data, username. Obviously, a lot of things are very easy. And when you will just save everything, like after that, when you will click save, you will then see the server listed here. When you will expand, you will see databases. When you will expand, you will see your default database which you have connected. If you have connected any other database, like you have created some name, created some other database, so you will select that. And then you will see different things like your schemas, where if you will expand that, you will be able to see the tables, and you will be able to connect it as you saw in the intro of this video. So this was just the process of creating your account, connecting with a cloud database. After this, if you want to learn how to create database, how to create tables, everything, we have a dedicated Udemy course for PostgreSQL. I will provide a link. You can enroll in that course and learn there. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.